welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make a porcini crusted New York strips. New York strip is a steak, for those one or two people on the planet that don't know. And I got a pair of beautiful steaks over here at the grocery store. What I did, excuse me, is I got a bunch of dehydrated porcini mushrooms and stuck them in the Cuisinart and ground them down to no powder. And I've got porcini sea salt here, which you've seen me use in other videos before. And we're going to mix some of that in that so we can have salted steaks. So stick with me and I'll show you how it's done. And over here, we're making some sauteed mushrooms to go with the steaks. So now that I mixed the porcini salt with the ground porcinis, what we're going to do is we are going to encrust the New York strip. And look how pretty that is. And we want to get it encrusted all over on the sides, behind the ears, on the top. And ideally, you probably want to get this powder ground up a little finer than I did, but I was just so excited to get this recipe going, I did that. I guess it'll work. Okay, and we're gonna crust the sides, and now we got some butter and olive oil on a cast iron skillet, and we're gonna cook them up. So here we have a hot cast iron skillet with some butter and olive oil. And now we're going to add the New York strip. Okay. And we're going to put it over to medium high. And we're going to cook it for, I'd say 3-4 minutes per side maybe. I'm shooting for medium rare. And there you have it. A steaming New York strip porcini encrusted. Smells really good. Man, I did not know that porcini mushrooms could smell this good. So let's go ahead and taste it. And we got the marinated mushrooms and a baked potato with sour cream and butter. Alright, let's go ahead and taste it. I'm going to cut into it. Oh my, it really smells good, people. It is amazing. And let's see how this is done. Ooh, it's rare. Perfect. I said medium rare earlier because I thought it would cook a little bit too much while I'm futzing around, but no, this is how I like my steak. Oh man, you can't beat a New York strip. It's a really good steak, very tender. Let's go ahead and taste it. Man, that is the way to go. Boy, that porcini powder really jazzed things up. I always knew porcinis go with beef very well, but this is incredible. To that pile of ground porcinis, I added 2 generous teaspoons of that porcini powder, salt. So that'll give you the proper ratio. Just perfect. Very nice and crusty. The big pieces did not fall off. That is a spectacular way to make a steak, people. Wow. Impress your friends and neighbors. Impress people coming over to eat. You know, you could encrust a steak, cook it, serve it, and not tell your guests. They would be flabbergasted, wanting to know what the heck rub did you put on there. Because, oh my God, this is excellent. Hey, thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.